Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are changing engine oil in this motorbike. It has been quite some time I have changed it, so today we are changing it now. So first remove the drain bolt. This one is 17 mm, so use socket 1 and just lose it and drain the oil. Moving fast forward, I will be showing to you. Just see how dark it is. On an older motorcycles like this, it is a good time to change between 2 to 2,500 kilometers. Inspect the bolt for dust and its threads. What happens as they gets old, the thread gets worn out, so it is a good time to inspect it. If it is fine and free from dirt, just place it back, screw it. First do the hand tightening to avoid cross threading. Gradually screw it and then tighten it with the socket. Always do the hand tight first and then tighten it with the socket. If you cross thread, then you'll know. If you directly tighten it with the socket, you might damage the threadings. So it is a good idea to first hand tight, then tighten it with the socket. So moving fast forward, we'll unscrew the filling cap and place one funnel and start adding the engine oil. One more point I want to mention here is this is not a motul oil, this is another oil. I was not having a box, actually it is in the barrel, so I am not having the box. That is the reason I have cast it in a motul can. No issues. Actually this is for older engines. This is a high mileage oil, you can check the color, and it has been designed especially for the older engines, bikes which has run more than 30 to 40,000 50,000 kilometers or above. It works very good in these engines, whether it is a Honda or Bajaj or whatever. This oil comes in lot of different types of grades and specs. So if you want to know the details, just comment below. I'll give you the details about this oil. I have been using this from quite long time, so it is tried and tested from my side. It is fine, it just worked fine. I was having oil consumption issues with this motorcycle, but by using this oil, that issue is fixed now. Now just check the oil level. Yeah, it is fine now. You can see it is full. So just tighten it first, hand tight and tighten it completely. Avoid cross threading here also. Once you are done, just check below if there is any leakage. Start the motorcycle, let it idle for some time. This one is a kickstart old motorcycle, so we don't have other option to start it. Let it idle for about 2 to 3 minutes so that oil gets pumped in. Then if you want, you can rev the motorcycle for about 3 to 4,000 rpm. It is optional, it is not necessary. If there is a separate oil filter in your motorcycle, paper one, it is very important to change that also at this time. We don't have that type of oil filter in this one. This one is Honda Shine 2007 model. Like this video if it was helpful for you and share it with your friends. If you have any questions related to motorcycles or any automobiles, please comment below. Thanks for watching.